Hey Bash Besties, if you want to see how this beautiful setup came about, stay tuned. Today I wanted to show you guys how I put together this unique kids party theme for an 8-year-old. My client came to me for her daughter's birthday requesting a theme I've never came across in my almost 10 years of doing kids parties. The theme was snakes and wolves, and upon hearing this, I had no idea what I was going to do. Or how I was even going to tie those two elements together, especially since it was a girls' party. Here's how I used apps like Canva and Pinterest to gather inspo and envision my setup before the party so we can make this vision come to life. So all my parties start with a Canva mood board, and from there I like to establish a color scheme. In this case, my little client's favorite colors are purple and green. After we get that figured out, then I like to look over my inventory and see what's in stock that goes with the color scheme or the overall vibe of the party. Luckily, I can now do that through Canva because I've been able to upload all of my inventory photos to the Canva site, and I'm able to scroll through and view the inventory instead of having to physically pull it out. Then I headed over to Amazon because your girl loves 2-day shipping and free returns, and I'm able to get my basics ordered quickly, just like these wolf plates. They were the cutest ones I could find online, and I was able to build the rest of the decor around the color and style
to
of
be
the
your
plate.
everything, and my everything. I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out. What got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes. But I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going crazy. But I'm way too deep now, I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. I really thought that I knew. I really thought that I knew where I had you. I really thought we would be. I really thought you and me were forever. But I guess you had other plans. I wish I'd known in advance that way. Maybe I could've got in my heart, but now I'm just back at the start.
And happy planning! Also, if you guys are looking to start your event planning business or event decorating business and you need a little bit of help on how to get started, make sure to check out my course, BIZ Academy. See you guys in another video.